What is the most important thing the jury will evaluate in your car accident trial, in your medical malpractice trial, or even in your wrongful death trial? You want to know the answer? Come join me as I share with you this great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law in the state of New York. Today I'm coming to you from beautiful Boulder Creek in Boulder, Colorado. I'm here visiting my daughter. She's in college, and now I have a few minutes to share this great information while she and my wife are out shopping. What is the most important thing that the jury will evaluate when deciding who is more likely right than wrong? Whether we have shown that we are more likely right than wrong than what you're claiming is true. You know what the answer is? The answer is credibility. Who do they believe? Who do they believe is more likely right than wrong? Do they believe you, or do they believe the people you have sued? That's critical because in order to be successful and to justify a verdict in your favor, we have to show that you are more likely right than wrong than what you are claiming is true. Whether it's a doctor violating the basic standards of medical care, whether it's a driver who was careless and violated the rules of the road, we have to show that you are more likely right than wrong. And it all comes down to who they believe. Do they believe you? Do they believe your witnesses? Do they believe the police officer? Do they believe the other driver? Do they believe the doctor? All comes down to who they believe. If you believe you have a great case, but the jury doesn't believe you for whatever reason, you're going to lose that case. On the other hand, you might think you don't have a great case, that the liability is not so great, but they may like you. They may believe you. They may believe everything you say. It all comes down to credibility. If the jury believes that you and our case and the witnesses that we put on and the evidence that we present to them is credible and believable, then, in all likelihood, that will justify a verdict in our favor. So why do I share this quick information with you on a gorgeous day today here in Boulder, Colorado? I share it with you just to give you an insight and an understanding into what goes on in the litigation process in New York involving a car accident trial, involving a medical malpractice trial, involving a wrongful death trial. You know, I realize you're watching this because you have questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter did happen in New York and you do have legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. You know, this is something I do every single day, and I'd love to talk to you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's quick video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a fantastic day.